As you can see, the new Sunjo 2000 PSI pressure washer has wheels on it and a handle, so it's easy to maneuver around. Weighs all of 13 pounds. So if you really need to pick it up and take it places that you can, it's easy. All your tools and everything stores on board, so you're never misplacing anything, losing it. It's all right here where you need it. Now, when you go to use it, there's a couple things you're gonna have to hook up. First of all, this is your lance right here. This is gonna go into this piece right here. Fairly easy, these two just slide in here. All right, twist, and now you're ready to go. So this is what you're gonna use to spray everything down. This 20-foot pressure cord here is going to hook into the lance. So this piece is gonna go into the bottom over here, screw on. Really simple, real easy to do. If you have a little wrench and you wanna tighten up, you can do that. This part here, and I'll lay this down, this part here is gonna screw into the bottom of the unit right there. No tools required to set this one up, all you simply do is screw it in. So again, this is your 20-foot high pressure hose. This allows you to move around in all different ways. It's really flexible, really easy to use. Here's your tools, this is what I like. You get 3 different spray nozzles on here. They clip on, so there's 2 of them here, there's 1 on the lance already. You also get your detergent dispenser here. In this case, I have my favorite blue cleaning solution in here because we're gonna do some windows later today. So again, everything stores on board. Turn around and show you here in the front, this is where your hose is going to hook up because you're gonna feed the water through here. It's gonna ramp it up, turn the pressure on. These are your switches, real easy. On, off, easy to read. And this is your GFCI power cord. It's 35 feet long, so it gives you a ton of length to plug it in to ramp up the power. Again, 2000 PSI from Sunjo, everything you need. The other cool thing, this is the first time ever we've done a 2+2. 2-year warranty with an additional 2 years, so 4 years total. Enjoy your cleaning.